In this part, I'll introduce how to do backup and restorations for FlexusRDS. So on the instance list page, click the name of the target FlexusRDS instance. And then go to the backup and restorations page. So FlexusRDS provides one-click restorations and manual backup and restoration. To use the one-click restoration, you just need to click the restore button here, and you can select the date, time range, and time point. So choose the time when you want to restore to, and it provides two restoration methods: restore to a new instance or restore to the original instance. If you want to restore to the new instance, then click OK, and it will guide you to the purchase page. So basically, you need to purchase a new FlexusRDS instance and configure the settings and click buy. And then the backup will be restored to that new instance. And if you want to restore to the original, then you just need to simply check the box and click next. You can also do manual backup and restorations. To create a manual backup file, you can click create backup, and you can name your backup file and add some descriptions, and then click OK. Then you can see a manual backup is being created, and it will take a while. Now it's completed. You can also restore a FlexusRDS instance with a backup file. So you can choose the backup file. For example, I choose this automatic backup file, and then I need to click restore. And here, similarly, I can restore it to a new instance or restore to the original. So if I do this, and I need to click OK. And it says the current instance is being restored. And if you can see that the status of this instance is changed to restoring.